Fab 5 from Section H. We chose fisheries sector to work further. We went to many different people for the interview like Prakash, a vessel engineer, Rakesh, boat owner, Mamata, dry fish seller, Mrs. Manjulshri Senoy, assistant director of fisheries, Urban, a fisherman. They told us about the whole process, what is happening in the fisheries sector. After knowing all that process, we came to conclusion that they mainly focus problem in catching a fish. Like they don't know about the exact production or a data of a particular year, like how much fish they going to catch in this particular year. So we are trying to solve this. The main focus is to predicting the catch based on previous year statistics. Our problem statement is fluctuation in the fish catch and to help the fishermen to improve catch. Our data that if we are able to tell the fishermen about the production of a particular year, then it will help or also improve the production, or also it will help the fishermen to improve the catch. This is our problem statement that we are trying to solve. So we found the solution of this problem statement is to compare the data from the previous year and find the issue causing it and its prevention for further months. So from we are trying to develop an app which store all the data and statics of fish catch in and around Mangalore region and compares it with the present catch and to find the reason for the increase and decrease in the catch. Like our as according to our problem statement that the fluctuation in the fishing or catching of fish. So our product is we are trying, like our Fab 5 team we are trying to develop an app which store all the data and static of fish catch in and around Mangalore region of a previous year, and on the basis of that, on the comparison of it, we can predict the catch of a particular year, and it help the increase and decrease in the catch. Underlying magic. The app will help the fisherman or the boat owner to have a steady catch, and it helps them to overcome the fluctuation in their income. Target market. Fishermen, boat owner and fisheries administration. They all are our targeting market, that fishermen, boat owner and fisheries sector. Business model canvas. Key partner. Our key partner is Seafood Restaurant Fishing Association. Key activities to find statics. Statics mean the previous year data of a fish production. Key resources. What we need for this, we need app development, value proposition, provide a stable catch of fishes, customer relationship service, customer segment is fishermen and boat owners. Thank you so much.